Bonjour, it is Friday, that's vendredi, le 12 février, February 12th. We're going to do a few answers from the Epreuve diagnostique. It's your only assignment for today. I'll help you out with some of those. It is important that you have your vocab sheet out. You can print it or write down the vocab words. You don't have an answer key, but they have the list of vocab. Practice the flashcards and do that. That'll help you a lot in doing these. All right, let's look at part 1, antonyms. An antonym means the opposite. So check it out like jour. The opposite of jour, if you look at your page, is nuit, so day and night. Opposite of inutile is utile, so useless and useful. Yeah. And you can try the other ones yourself later. Part 2 of diagnostique. Complete each sentence with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. So you take the verb, and we're going to conjugate. Do you remember how to conjugate? Hopefully you made a chart. These are all ER verbs. So with je, we have E. With tu, we have ES. With il, elle, and on, we have E. Nous, we have ONS. Vous, we have EZ. Il and elle plural, we have ENT. So again, really important to have a notebook that you keep doing the whole year so you can write down the little verb charts because they come up again and again in each chapter. All right, so aujourd'hui, vous, we got passé, drop off the ER, and the ending for vous is EZ. So aujourd'hui, vous passez un examen de biologie. Do a few more. Assister is to attend, like to go to something. I attend the elementary physics class. So, assister, drop off the ER. The ending for je is just E. So, j'assiste au cours de physique élémentaire. Couple more. En espagnol, t'aimes toi, vous. And we have partager. Partager is to share. And it's vous, so partage, drop off the ER. Easy. Vous partagez un dictionnaire. So en espagnol, t'aimes toi, vous partagez un dictionnaire. And le professeur is like one person, like il. So just ends in an E. There you go. Le professeur commence la leçon. The professor begins the lesson. Again, just put the right ending there. Les élèves is like plural people. So you're going to have parle. Yeah, les élèves ne parlent pas trop fort. Do not speak very loud. Other ones are kind of obvious. All right, skipping down to au lycée. Ooh, now you have to pick a word and write the correct conjugation. So you can't just put like MA there. You have to conjugate it. My friends and I, we blank well our course. What do we like? We begin well, teach. We got begin, teach, talk, listen, like, love, draw, and study. I'm going to go with we like our course. So let's put AIM, MA. Oh, what do you do for on? Just ends in an E. So on aime bien les cours au lycée. Mes journées, my days, and my days are plural there. Mes journées blank à 8h30. 8h30 is 8:30. So maybe my days, listen, draw. What do you think? My day is something at 8:30. Maybe begin? Yeah, let's begin. So, commencer. Now, check it out. Mes journées is plural, so it's like the ils form. So, mes journées commencent, ENT. Mes journées commencent à 8h30 le matin. All right, Monsieur Colette. Well, let's see. We're talking about school and classes. So, Mr. Colette blanks PE probably teaches. Which one is teach? You got it. Enseigner. So let's put enseigner. And for just one person, he's like il. We got enseigne. Avec Madame Lebrun, je blank économie et la gestation le mardi et jeudi. Those look like classes. Let's see. Economy and health class there on Thursday. So what are you going to do for those classes? Probably You gonna draw them, talk them? No, you're gonna study for them. Yeah, étudier. So let's hit étudier. And because it's je, it just ends in e. Take off the r. J'étudie l'économie et la gestion le mardi et le jeudi, et les sciences politiques le mercredi et le vendredi. L'après-midi, nous blank de la musique. What do you do to music? You could like it or love it or talk it, but the best thing to do with music is to listen to it. Yay! So we're going to do écouter, but ooh, you have to conjugate. Écouter. Drop off the ER, and what's the ending for nous? ONS, you got it. Nous écoutons de la musique avec Monsieur Humbert, où je blank dans le cours d'art. What do I do in art class? Now, again, a couple of these could work. You could talk in art class. The best one is probably to draw, though. Let's use dessiner. Dessiner is to draw. So take off the R. Je dessine dans le cours d'art de Madame François. Il y a aussi des cours de langue. There's also language classes. Ma copine Emma, elle blank bien italien. She blanks Italian. Since we're talking about language class, ooh, get your vocab list out. Probably going to parler. And again, for elle, drop off the R. So elle parle bien italien. Mais moi, je blank espagnol. What's the only one left you haven't used yet? Or maybe there's a couple you didn't use, but I blank Spanish. You could either like it or love it. We use like, so let's use love. Adore. And it's j'adore espagnol. So again, whenever you're putting a word in the blank from a box, you have to conjugate it with the je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, whatever the endings are. Go review that PowerPoint again. All right, these are, n'est-ce pas? A schoolmate Gilles is asking you lots of questions. Select the most logical response from each question. Now, don't just guess and don't know. Take a look. Someone asks, il y a un examen aujourd'hui? Is there a test today? We got, no, I don't like French. Yes, here you go. Yes, in history. Makes the most sense? Oui, en histoire. All right. And again, if you don't know what words are, please look them up, open another tab, Google Translate, or again, print or copy the vocab list. Such une bonne idée. I know it's a weird year, but at some point we're going to start having regular school and quizzes and tests in class, and you'll have to know them and not look them up every time. All right, ce n'est pas Monsieur Claudet là-bas? Is that not Monsieur Claudet over there? No, me neither. No, you are right. Or yes, it's him. Gonna go with yes, it's him. La philosophie, tu aimes? Philosophy, do you like it? Yes, I like math. No, it's not bad. Yes, I hate it. Let's see. Yes, oh, so yes, I like math better. Let's see, yeah. So yeah, the best one. There you go. Yes, but I like math better. Yeah, let's see. Philosophy, do you like it? Yes, I like math better, or no, it's not bad. Yes, you wouldn't say yes, I hate it. We're going to say, well, oh, we're just going to say, I like math better. So that works. Quelle heure est-il? We did this in class yesterday and the day before. Quelle heure est-il? Remember, what time is it? Quelle heure est-il? It starts with il est 10h15. Yeah. Est-ce que Madame Le Breton est là? Is Madame Breton there? Yes, they are there. No, she's one girl. So how would you replace one girl? Madame Breton is one girl, so it's elle. Yes, she arrives. Oui, elle arrive. Tu as faim? Do you have hunger? Yes, a lot. Not a problem. No, we're failing. How about yes, a lot? Oui, beaucoup. Jacob, is he nice? Like, is Jacob nice? Yes, it begins. Yes, I think so. Maybe Sunday. Just translating, we're going to go with yes, I think so. Oui, je trouve. And la physique est difficile, n'est-ce pas? Physics is hard, isn't it? Not at all? Me too or okay? Best one is pas du tout. Not at all. All right. You knew those, didn't you? I'll give you a couple of these. Ask these people or things. Ask about these people or things by transforming these statements into questions. So we got, you're going to use est-ce que for all these. So you can go ahead and put est-ce que for everything. The answer is j'ai un crayon. So the question is, maybe, do you have a pencil? So I have a pencil is the answer. The question is, do you have a pencil? Est-ce que tu as un crayon? Est-ce que tu as un crayon? If the answer is, I like style and fashion, we're going to ask yes. Est-ce que? Let's see. Oh, they want you to use vous. Okay. Looking for vous. Est-ce que vous aimez? And just copy the sentence. Le stylisme de mode. Yeah, so again with these, you're just putting est-ce que. We'll do one more. Est-ce que, like if the answer is, I am looking for room 25. Je cherche la salle 25. I'm looking for room 25. And we got il, so we're going to est-ce, oh, little apostrophe there. Est-ce qu'il, and use the same rest of the sentences. Now it's il, plural, so we need a ent. And just put la salle 25. Yeah. So question answer. I'll do one more for you. Les langues étrangères sont difficiles. We got psychology. Ooh. We're going to say is psychology. Est-ce que? Then put what's in parentheses. La psychologie est difficile. Again, I changed it to A because they have just one thing in parentheses. Sont is for two things. A is for one thing. And tu oublies l'heure. You forget the time. So we're going to ask, do Martine and Layla forget the time? So est-ce que, your favorite question word. Martine et Layla. Oh, there's the I with little dots. Layla. And it's two people, so it's oublie. You got it, ENT for two people. Oublie l'heure. So do those two people forget the time? Yeah. So again, just making a question for the answer. D'accord. All right, we've done some synonyms. Now we have a couple of, we've done some antonyms. Now here's some synonyms. Write words and expressions with similar meanings. Yeah. Those should be okay. I'll let you figure those out, like explain, talk on the phone, think, and morning. So find some that are similar in meaning. These are a little tougher. You have to conjugate avoir. Remember, j'ai, tu as, il a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. If you were in class, we wrote a chart of avoir. If not, I have a PowerPoint for it. So again, you just conjugate avoir and then pick the phrase that goes with it, like a. Now you're going to have to put more there. A, avons, and then avait. Yeah, and then just put whichever one goes with it more, like for a birthday or midnight time. We got 16, fear, feel like, sleep, hot. And, oops, that's the last part. You were just changing it from conversational time to military. So if it's in the evening, you add 12 hours to the hour. Par exemple, like 7 heures du soir, 7 p.m. is going to be 19. You add 12, so 17 hours. Make sense? 10 o'clock and a quarter in the evening. 10 o'clock and a quarter is going to be 22. 22 hours. And instead of a quarter in military time, they just say 15 cans. All right, hope this helps a little bit. Keep going.